In this video, I'm going to show you how to paper trade on Moomoo Desktop. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to moomoo.com, and actually, if you want to paper trade on your desktop, you don't have to download the app because you can do it over here online. So just hover over Features up here, and then click on Paper Trade. And then it's going to take you to a separate page where you can see all about paper trading, and you want to click on Start Paper Trading. And after that, for me, I have already logged in, but for you, it's going to basically tell you have to sign in or create an account in case you don't have one yet. So just make sure you do that, and then whenever you do it, you can see over here, this is now your paper trading platform. Here, you can filter between the two basically markets. So as you can see, those two are available. And then here you can see a bunch of different things. So you can see you have a US margin account for paper trading, and you also have a US futures paper trading over here. You can go ahead and search for any symbols you'd like to trade. So for example, let's say I want to trade Bitcoin, for example. I'm gonna just click on here, or actually let's do this one. There we go. And then you can go ahead and see all the different overviews over here. You can see the stocks, ETFs, etc. And you can go ahead and buy and sell over here on the right hand side of your screen. So that's pretty much how you paper trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.